Hi, I'm Michelle Couch here with Stone Hollow Homes here in Sherman, Texas. We have a beautiful model home here that starts at 2553 square feet at 468, and we can add several different options going all the way up to 3100 square feet to this model. It is a one-story. It is an option to add a half story with a game room upstairs, which is really popular, and it takes you to actually have an option of 4 bathrooms in the home. Again, we're here to help you through the process in our custom production building, and we'd love to have you part of the neighborhood in Sherman. It's a growing area, and we're excited to be part of here. We'll see you soon.